Hi, I'm Vibisha. I'm an instructor at NIAT Chennai. One thing that I've noticed is that in most of the traditional engineering colleges, students spend a significant amount of time learning theory, but they don't always get an opportunity to apply what they have learned. At NIAT, we work differently. Learning is just not about understanding the concepts, it's about building, experimenting, and solving real-world problems. From the beginning, students start working on projects. This helps them connect what they have learned with how they can apply in real life. As a faculty member, my role is just not to teach them, but to mentor and guide them throughout their journey. We work closely with them, understand where they face challenges, and help them step by step in improving. Another difference is that our curriculum is constantly evolving, and we focus on skills that is relevant to today's industry. And so, students are always learning what truly matters. In our classrooms, you'll not see students just listening. You'll see them building, discussing, and actively working on solutions. And that is where real learning happens. Because of this approach, students gain confidence much earlier. They work in real-time projects, participate in events, and secure internships in their early years. And for us as instructors, that's the greatest achievement. Seeing our students grow, not just academically, but practically and professionally. We are not just preparing the students to pass exams, we are preparing them for the real world.